So here we've got a geometry question. We've got perfect circle, and inside we've got a star-shaped octagon. Now the octagon is perfectly symmetrical with even length sides. All these sides are the same length. Now we're given that angle NBE equals 130 degrees. So this angle here, NBE, that one there, 130 degrees. We want to find angle AWD. So AWD. So we need to find this one. That's what we need. Okay, so how are we going to go about finding that angle? Now I'd recommend you have a go at this yourself first, but this is the way I calculated the solution. So we know the star shape in the middle here is an octagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So octagon, 8 sides. Okay, no problem. Now, as this is symmetrical and all these lengths are the same, we know that this angle, this angle, and this angle, and this one, they're all the same. So I'm going to give these a double line to show that they're all the same. And also, equally, these angles here will also be the same. So this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here is also the same. So angle NBE is 130. So we can see that also angle NBE, its superior angle, i.e. on the outside, that one is going to be 360 minus 130. So if I write angle NBE equals 130 degrees, that's on the smaller angle. So I'll write that smaller. So on the outside, angle NBE equals 360 minus 130, which equals 230 degrees. And that would be the superior angle, or the larger. Okay, now if they're 230, that means all of these are also 230. So I'll just write those in. 230, 230, and 230. Okay, so there's 4 of those. So far on our octagon, we've got 4 sides. So let's put our running total here. We've got 4 times 230, which gives me 920. Okay, now an octagon with 8 sides, we know that the total interior angles will be n minus 2 times 180. Now n being 8, so for an octagon, n equals 8. So therefore we've got 8 minus 2, which is 6. So let's write that in there. 8 minus 2, which is 6, times 180. 6 times 180 gives me 1080. So that's the total angles for the octagon. Now we could account for 920 so far, but we've got these 4 left, which are all equal. So if I do 1080 minus 920, that gives me 160. Now with 4 angles left that are all the same, if I divide that by 4, I get 40. So therefore we can conclude that angle AWD is going to be 40 degrees. So hence that one there is 40 degrees. And we've also got 40 degrees here, 40 degrees here, and 40 degrees there. And that will account for all 8 interior angles of our star-shaped octagon. Okay,